Indibi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning everybody. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Okay, what day is today? Yes, today is Tuesday. What day? What it is today? Excellent. The date is 12. So what's month? What's month is today? Barakallah. The month is May. So what is the year today? Excellent. The year is 2020. Now we are going to in creative session. So before we start, say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, what is our theme today? Yes, our theme is community helpers. So, can you mention? Okay, please. Doctor, yes, and then teacher, and then sailor, yes. What else? Nurse, yes, and then chef, excellent, and many others. Okay, have you watched the Mr. Haris video last week? Okay, what is the video about? Yes, the Mr. Haris video about cartoon of community helpers. Okay, look at this. Who is he? Yes, he is Mr. Haris. So, what is he? Yes, Mr. Haris is a chef. Okay, so what is the tools for Mr. Haris? Yes, hat, apron, and whisk. Okay, who is she? Yes, she is Miss Suti. But Miss Suti wants to be a chef. Oh, like Mr. Haris, yeah? Okay, where is Mr. Haris? Ah, yes, he is Mr. Haris. And she is Miss Suti. So, are the same? Okay, they are not the same. So, what is the difference for them? Excellent. Mr. Haris wears a hat and Miss Suti doesn't wear hat. Okay? Because Miss Suti doesn't wear hat, so now we are going to make hat chef for Miss Suti. Do you want to make this? You want to make hat chef? So please cartoon divide it 3 and you need scissor. So remember please, for you have to use small scissor and then glue. Put your paper like this and then fold the paper corner and corner together. Okay, so please fold again corner and corner together. And then open it. So please under paper, please give glue like you make draw line. Yes, okay, finish. And then please fold corner and corner together. Okay, and press it. Now, your paper like this. So, after this, cut the paper. This is fold, and you have to cut until line. Stop. Yes, stop. 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 stop, stop, and stop, stop, and stop, and stop, stop, stop it, and stop. So, and stop it. So, please wear your headset like this. Ta-da! Miss Tuti has finished. Okay, now please do at your home with your mom, with your brother, your sister, and your papa. And I trust you, you can do it. Okay? Okay, Hindi, we have finished our activity. I hope you can do it and you can keep spirit. So, let's close our session by saying hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. And then, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.